GE drives the world forward by tackling its biggest challenges and combining world-class engineering with software and analytics. However, they also recognize the value in investing in talents, people like you, working behind the scenes, driving GE to continue being world-class, efficient, reliable, and safe. If you're watching this, then congratulations! Your journey as a leader begins as you're about to experience RISE, a customized learning journey in leading and managing by taking accountability, a journey put together especially for you.
Hi everybody, first of all congratulations, you've been selected to be part of GSM RISE program. The reason why we are embarking on this program is to be aligned with our growth plan. As you know, as we are coming out of COVID, we are on a growing spree, and for that we want to ensure that we invest on our people too. So that's the reason why you were selected to be developed in your leadership skills as we embark into growth plan.
My expectation for you guys is to be able to communicate well, and also I would like to see that you guys are able to resolve conflicts in between your team members.
We are very, very glad that you are selected for this program, and we hope that in RISE 2022, you're able to reset yourself, to understand yourself, and to be able to inspire others, and to serve GSM 2022 priorities, and to excel in your work, and overall contribute to GSM 2022 priorities and GE Aviation globally.
At Leaderonomics, we believe in the science of building leaders, and this is how we plan to help you rise. In the next 6 months, you will experience 3 phases in this learning journey. Understanding yourself and developing a growth mindset. Learn about yourself, what motivates you, how to be accountable and drive yourself and others towards achieving your best potential, all towards success. Influencing without authority. Learn to apply influencing skills and techniques that would encourage behavioral changes in yourself and others to meet departmental goals, quality, and compliances. People management. Develop people management skills and understand crucial conversations and steps you will need to take as a teaming leader. Additionally, learn techniques to resolve conflict more effectively during this phase.
As we propel further, we will be relying more on you guys to have a smooth GSM operations. So I hope the Leaderonomics providing this training program, you guys will benefit the most out of it and apply your learning on day-to-day issues and challenges. Good luck.
Passengers, let's take off. GE, together with Leaderonomics, is proud to launch
Reset,
Inspire,
Serve,
Excel,
Rise.
Rise Up and Uncover Your Potential.